Hello and welcome to another video. In this one, we are going to make this beautiful dress, the Mira dress. You will need your fabric of choice, some bias tape, elastic, some buttons, sewing supplies, and the patterns for this style that you can download from our website. Let's start with the center front of the dress. Place these two pieces together, right sides facing inwards, and stitch from the notch marking all the way down. Remember to lock your stitch well at this notch marking to prevent it from loosening up. Iron the seams down flat. Fold the seam allowance as shown. And now stitch them down. Let's move on to the shoulders. Place the front and the back together, right sides facing outwards, and stitch them together with French seams. Fold over and finish the French seam. For the neckline, we are going to use the bias tape. Fold the tape as shown and start sewing all the way around the neckline. Cut your tape and fold it up as you reach the other end. Iron it, and now let's stitch our bias tape down. Now onto the sleeves. We are going to start by creating gathers, so let's stitch from this notch point to the other. Pull out some thread before you start sewing. And increase the stitch length on your machine for this step. Leave some extra threads as you finish as well. Now, holding onto the thread, push the fabric inwards to create gathers as shown. Adjust the gathers to match our front piece. Pin them together, right sides facing upwards. Let's attach them using a French seam. Trim any extra threads, fold over and finish the French seam. We have attached one of our sleeves, so now let's attach the other one in the same way. Attach these pieces with French seam. Our sleeves are done. Now we are going to move on to the lower portion of the dress. Gather the front skirt piece all the way across its width. Pin these pieces with the right sides facing upwards and attach them using a French seam. Now let's attach the back skirt onto the back bodice in the same way. Gather the piece. With the right sides facing upwards, sew them using a French seam. Let's create the back tie. Fold and iron as shown. Fold in the raw allowance for this one end. For the other end, leave the raw edge as it is. Stitch all the way down. Place the tie on top of the waist seam of the back piece. Run a stitch down to hold it in place. Repeat the same on the other side. Matching the front and the back waist seams, pin the side seam with the right sides facing outwards. Attach them using French seams. One is done, let's stitch the other side. Our side seams are attached. Let's double fold and stitch the hemline. Let's double fold and stitch the sleeve openings. As you finish the seam, leave a small opening for the elastic. Pass the elastic all around. Attach them and close the opening. This sleeve is ready. Let's finish up with the other one. it's time to attach the buttons onto the center front of the dress. And our dress is ready. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I shall see you again soon. Until then, take care. Bye.